Renee, great to see you. Welcome to Tech Check. 78% growth year over year, you reported earlier. Talk about your priorities here in addressing this SMB market, which I see just being so active in this cloud era.
Yeah, well, thank you, John. Thanks for having me. Always great to see you and connect. You know, the SMB space is just a massive opportunity. We have around 126,000 businesses across our Bill.com core platform. There's 6 million businesses in the US that have employees. And when you look at the scale of the businesses we've brought together, Invoice2go and Divi, we now have 350,000 businesses we serve across all the platform. So we're just getting started. And so the results that we're seeing today, the 78% that you mentioned, it's all because of the work we've been doing for years, the work to build a platform that's purpose-built for SMBs so they can automate their financial operations, autonomous finance, if you will. It's the work that we've done on the ecosystem so that we can reach SMBs with whomever they trust, whether it's their bank or their accountant or us directly. These things take time, and the investment that we've had to date has been really to continue to make those things happen for SMBs. We are passionate about SMBs, and we're relentless on helping them.
Yeah, I thought it was interesting, strange, to be honest, when PayPal was looking at Pinterest, because there's so much to do in the small and medium business space. But talk about Divi. And we talk a lot about cryptos and consumers when we talk about fintech. Not enough about SMB. What is Divi strategically for you? What does it allow you to do, having this payment card and perhaps incentives that you can build into it?
That's a great question. So, all of the operations that a business has, it's a mountain of paperwork. And that paper is just really kind of a pain for businesses to really deal with. And so one of the things that Divi does is it really enables card spend to be automated, to be digitized with an elegant software solution. So you can be using your phone, if you're the manager or the owner of the business, you can use your phone to enable cards, real-time card decisions across your entire employee base. So if you have employees that are out visiting a customer and they need to do something for that customer, they have the ability to just say, hey, boss, I need a little bit more money on the card, and that can happen real time. If you have employees that are encouraging spend on ad spend across all the internet platforms out there, and they have something that's going well, they can, again, increase that real time. So that amount of paper that was going on back and forth on these types of decisions, that's just gone. It's all software, and it's all enabled so that you can do it with your fingertips.
So what is different, kind of thesis-wise, in small business tech and payments this time around? I mean, you've been in this for a long time. You were at Intuit in the early days. You co-founded PayCycle 20 years ago. So this is, you've got a lot of perspective here. Articulate why, in the cloud era, you think the growth trajectory and the potential for you to touch multiple arenas is different.
That's a great question. So all too often, technology is viewed as a burden. And it is for consumers, it is for businesses. Well, businesses just haven't had the love that consumers have had. And so we've been putting a lot of time and attention into the user experience so that it's not a burden, it's an opportunity. And what we saw with COVID, there was a necessary requirement that you operate your business remotely. And so that meant businesses started thinking harder about it and looking for the opportunity. And what they found is, with a digital platform like Bill.com, one that automates the financial processes that a business has, they found that they actually get time back. 75% of our customers say they get 2x efficiency. They save 50% of the time. That means you can double your revenues and not add any employees. It's very powerful. And I think the opportunity to grow is what everybody's so excited about right now.
Well, definitely going to keep an eye on you guys and this whole SMB tech space. Renee Lacerte, thank you.